Looking to launch or advance your career in accounting and finance, the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants offers a globally respected qualification that opens doors to exciting opportunities. In this video, we'll break down what ACCA is, how it works, and why studying with MPES can set you up for success. So what is ACCA? ACCA is a leading international accountancy body offering professional qualifications recognized in over 180 countries. Whether you're starting out or aiming to progress, ACCA equips you with skills to excel in accounting, finance, and business. ACCA Qualifications Roadmap. The ACCA qualification has 3 levels and 13 exams in total. Applied Knowledge. 3 exams covering the fundamentals of accounting and business. Business and Technology. Management Accounting. Financial Accounting. Passing these earns you the ACCA Diploma in Accounting and Business, RQF Level 4. Applied Skills. 6 exams focusing on essential technical skills in finance and accounting. Corporate and Business Law. Performance Management. Taxation. Financial Reporting. Audit and Assurance. Financial Management. Completing these, along with the Applied Knowledge level, qualifies you for the Advanced Diploma in Accounting and Business. Ethics and Professional Skills Module. An interactive online module designed to develop your ethical understanding, professional behavior, and decision-making skills. It is strongly recommended to complete EPSM before or alongside the Strategic Professional level. Completing this module, along with the first 9 exams, is required for the Advanced Diploma in Accounting and Business. Strategic Professional. This is the final level of the ACCA qualification. It includes 4 exams. 2 essential papers: Strategic Business Leader, Strategic Business Reporting, and 4 optional papers out of which you can choose 2. Advanced Financial Management, Advanced Performance Management, Advanced Taxation, Advanced Audit and Assurance. These exams focus on leadership, decision-making, and specialist skills for senior finance roles. Practical experience requirement. You need to complete 36 months of relevant work experience in accounting or finance. You can gain this experience before, during, or after your ACCA exams. ACCA exams are available throughout the year as computer-based exams. All 13 exams can be taken at an approved test center or via remote invigilation, allowing you to progress at your own pace. The ACCA qualification typically takes 3 to 4 years to complete. This includes passing all 13 exams, completing the Ethics and Professional Skills module, gaining 36 months of practical experience, entry requirements and flexibility. ACCA is open to a wide range of learners. The minimum entry requirements are 2 A levels and 3 GCSEs, or their equivalents, in 5 separate subjects, in which English and maths are must. If you don't meet these requirements, you can start with ACCA's foundation-level qualifications and progress to the ACCA qualification from there. You will need to register as an ACCA student. This is an important step as ACCA manages your exams, awards your qualifications, and offers exemptions if you are eligible. If you already have a degree or relevant work experience, you may be able to reduce the number of exams you need to take. ACCA offers flexible study options including full-time, part-time, and online learning, so you can study in a way that suits your lifestyle. Career opportunities. Completing ACCA earns you the prestigious ACCA designation, unlocking roles like Financial Controller, Auditor, or Chief Financial Officer. With recognition worldwide, you can work from London, Singapore, or anywhere in between. Why? Study with MPES. At MPES, we're an ACCA Platinum accredited tuition provider, committed to your success. Here's why we're the right choice. Experienced tutors with real-world expertise. Flexible study options, classroom, blended, and e-learning. Complete support with materials, mocks, and guidance. Strong track record of first-time exam success. With MPES, you're never alone in your ACCA journey. With ACCA and MPES, you're building a future, not just a qualification. Start your journey to a rewarding finance career today. Ready to make it happen? Visit MPES today to explore ACCA courses and kickstart your journey. Your future starts now.